discussing parliamentary. Your Excellency,
Abunge ya bururi umuthi ni maugiriirie mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga hindi ya kigomano kia hamwe kia abunge a ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza na aruna wa kiama kia ODM thutha wake guthie na mbere na riendekithia riake ria kigina kia NG-CDF kininwo kuona ni mugaru na gatiba ya bururi.
That they also appreciate things from our perspective.
Kuringana na Odinga, wira wa bunge ni utariirio wega ni gatiba ya bururi na ni wa guthondeka mawatho kunyabara thirikari nene na kurugamirira muingi wa bururi na hatire handu mahetwo wigiririki wa kuramata kigina kia muingi kana gutwarithia na mbere tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
So the work of parliament is representation, legislation and oversight. Very clear, it's written there in the Constitution. Parliament is not supposed to be implementing. Parliament is supposed to be oversighting. It's not oversighting. And secondly, there is only two levels of devolution.
Niathiete na mbere kuga kigina giki ni mugaru na utamburukia wa mahinya no na gutire mitaratara mikinyaniru igathikitwo ya guthurima uria abunge mararutithia wira mbeca ici undu ucungagirira witangi na wanangi wa mbeca cia muingi.
Constituency is not an element of devolution. Devolution remains at the county. Down there, the constituency, the county government does implementation of the projects. I'm saying, correct. Down at the constituency, it's the county government.
Ona kuri uguo ni atariirie kigina giki kiari na gitumirira gia thundurirwo makiria ma miaka 20 mihituku kuona hindi yo tonga wa bururi wagayanagio ni thirikari nene kuringana na mirugamo ya giuteti ya atongoria icigo itiganite na thutha wa kugia na gatiba njeru kigina giki kiagiriire guthira.
Your legislatures, and a very famous English politician said that I may not agree with what you have to say, but I shall defend until death your right to say it. So listen to me. Let me say it. And then you'll have a chance to come and respond.
Okaide-ini okau Odinga ni orotete maseneta akiuga ni marethukira wira utari wao wa kunyabara thirikari cia county undu uria augite ni wigiririki wa rugamiriria wodi kugerera mbunge cia county riu akiuria maseneta matige gwitaga magavana mbere ya kamiti itiganite cia Senate no mekirire gwitia mbeca makiria igairwo county.
And then finally the appendix. This is
protest.
Kwa ihinda Odinga akoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere akiendekithia kigina kia NG-CDF kininwo na mbeca icio ciongererwo thirikari-ini cia matura niguo thirikari icio ihote gutungatira muingi wa bururi uria kwagiriire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.